Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, heated mirrors, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.